the last couple of questions here. How far away from you will it hit the ground? This is also known as range. So right away, we should zero in that we're talking about horizontal, right? How far? I'm looking for this displacement here. And the physics principle we have to look at is that we have a constant velocity no matter where we are in the horizontal component. Okay? It stays the same. There's no acceleration. We don't have gravity or anything else. Of course, we're going to have wind resistance, but we said right at the beginning, we're ignoring all wind resistance. In the world of physics 30, we live in this magical world with no wind resistance. Okay? So we have constant velocity. Because we have constant velocity, we can use the formula velocity equals displacement over time. So I want to know that displacement. So to get displacements by itself, I'm going to multiply both sides by time. Velocity times time. We found that the velocity in the x or the horizontal was 15.32. Uh, 0889 meters per second. And we're going to multiply that by the time. And I kind of went through the time quickly, but we said it was 2.6. We're going to use the unrounded value. And your unrounded value should be 2.62, something like this, if I did it. 2.620948.459. Okay, meters per second times second should leave us just with meters. I got my displacement to be 40 and a bunch of change. How many significant figures? Well, we got this 15 from our original question by using this 20 and the 40, which each have 2. So my final answer can only have 2. Okay, so that's 40 meters. The horizontal displacement when you kick that ball or that range, sometimes we'll use the word range, is 40 meters. Again, reasonable. Finally, what is the velocity when it hits the ground? Well, this is using the idea that it's going to be exactly the same initial as when it stops. So the ball's velocity is exactly the same. So it's 20 meters per second, 40 degrees, but instead of upwards, it's going to be downwards. 40 degrees into the ground. And that's what that question had asked.